Back. Good morning and buenos dias. We're under the ABC-7 first alert. We issued it early on to prepare you for today. We are going to have strong winds. Before we get into that, as you take a look at our satellite, this is a live look. We will have high cloud coverage on and off throughout the day. We do have a 10% chance of rain. There's two different models, one showing that we might see it from 10 to 11, another one that shows it later on tonight. If we do see it, that's good news, especially since it's going to help us with the blowing dust and sand. We are expecting the cold front to continue to push through all throughout the day, and then we're going to have strong winds and also blowing dust and sand. When it comes to the west side, you already woke up to that earlier this morning. You had already low visibility, roughly around 2 miles, and we usually have 10-mile visibility, so there was a drop earlier this morning. And then we are forecasting the rain and snow chances. When it comes to snow, we're talking about Sacramento Mountain and the Gila Mountains, so no snow here in the borderland. And right now, if you are heading out 60 El Paso, Las Cruces at 52. We've been staying pretty strong with these numbers. When it comes with the cold front, we're not going to move much from 60 degrees. We're going to stay in our 60s for the entire day. Here's a breakdown. If you're going to the rescue run, El Paso Animal Shelter, it's going to go ahead and take place roughly around 8 o'clock in the morning. I know when we have the westerly winds, that's not going to be the peak gust at 8 o'clock. So if you do go ahead and take advantage of it, because then later on today, it will go ahead and shift. The breakdown at 7 o'clock, it looks like we're going to dip down to our 50s at noon, 61, and by 5 o'clock at 63. The reason we're going to dip down is because we do have the Pacific cold front that's also bringing cooler air with it, and windshield will be a factor. Before we get into that, let's go ahead and go over forecast highs right here. El Paso 64, Las Cruces at 61 today, and Eastern counties 50s and 60s. Van Horn almost seeing 70s. Right now within our region, you are the highest high. In Cloudcroft, like always, you're the highest low at 33 degrees for your high for today. And here's the breakdown for our Sunday's winds, today's winds. Roughly around 35 to 45 miles consistent wind speed, and that's why we are under a high wind warning. So it got upgraded yesterday to a high wind warning because of this. Before yesterday, it was roughly around 60 miles per hour peak wind gusts. Now we're looking at 70 miles per hour wind gusts. And then these are westerly winds. So what that means is when it comes to the west side, the peak gust you might see is roughly 50 miles per hour, but they are going to pick up speed once they go over to the other side of the Franklin Mountains. So we're referring to the northeast, possibly seeing up to 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Trans Mountain also in the Gap. So if you do have a high profile vehicle, please stay away from the Gap and Trans Mountain. Try to go around because there are other ways to get to the other side of the mountain. And then the westerly winds, we're talking also about central El Paso, the east side, Otero County, Chaparral, and then the time of the peak gusts got upgraded to 10 o'clock in the morning all the way to 4 p.m. And then if we do see these potential wind gusts at these high speeds that we are forecasting, reduction in visibility will be a factor. West side, you've already seen that today, but especially when it comes to the northeast and the other side of the mountains, that is going to be a factor if we do have that blowing dust and sand. Allergies, and if you have any respiratory issues, I highly suggest you to go ahead and stay indoors today if you can. If you have to go out for any reason, go ahead and wear a mask just to help yourself out. And possibly flying debris is the possibility if you're driving today, walking outside, so just ear with caution if you have to go out. And then high profile vehicles, if you can, just go ahead and steer away from them if you're driving in the freeway. If you're seeing that they're struggling and driving, try to go ahead and give yourself some distance. You don't know if they're carrying a load. If they're not, it's going to make it a little bit more difficult for them to go ahead and drive. Here's a future track wind gust model. As you can see right here, we're starting stronger already, 30 miles per hour earlier this morning, and we're going to continue strong roughly around 10 o'clock and all the way to 4 o'clock is our peak wind gust. If we do see the possible blowing dust and sand, it looks like it's going to go ahead and subside roughly around 8 p.m. and the winds will subside after midnight tonight. Here's a future track model brought to you by Mattress Firm. ABC-7 first alert for today. Then Monday, we do have a windshield as a factor roughly around the time your kids are waiting for the school bus. That's where it's showing freezing temperature roughly around 7 o'clock from our mid to the high 20s. And then throughout the entire week, we're going to gradually warm up to seeing 80s on Saturday. We'll be right back. Stick around.